Hi again, everybody. Your Traveler with Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. We're in the kitchen for a quick and easy recipe. I've had some friends of mine ask me, how do you make the perfect New York strip steak? I know some people like ribeyes, some people like porterhouse, some people like filet mignons. A lot of people don't like the New York strip. I get a grass-fed New York strip from Whole Foods, and I like it because it's usually got just a little bit of marbling, giving it a little bit of tenderness. But here's my secret. First of all, years ago, I learned quit putting it on the barbecue grill because you don't get even heating with the steak. Instead, use this. That's right, Grandma's cast iron skillet. This recipe is so simple and easy, you're going to say, why did I never think of that? First of all, you're going to put that black cast iron skillet inside the oven and preheat it to 500 degrees. You want that skillet to be nice and hot. Now, as for seasoning on the steak, we're not going to use a lot of stuff. We're just going to coat it with some olive oil, and then we've got this seasoning right here that I love. It's called Kinder's Seasoning Blend. It is really delicious. This is an all-organic product as well. There's no fillers or additives or anything like that. You want to season your steak pretty liberally with this, again, after you put olive oil on it. Next up, you're going to pull that cast iron skillet out of the oven, put it on the stove top where it's nice and hot, have the burner nice and hot as well. You're going to put that seasoned New York strip in the skillet, and you're going to let it sear. Now, I cook it for about 4 minutes on each side. So we cook it for 4 minutes on one side, then we flip it over, and you may say, oh, it kind of looks burned. It's not. It's just a beautiful sear. You're going to cook it for about another 4 minutes. Now, while it's in there, in the last part of the cooking, I put some butter on top of the steak, along with some rosemary as well. Then kind of push that butter off down in the skillet, sizzling up all around the steak and all that goodness. Now we've cooked it for about 8 minutes. I put it over on my plate. Then I go and I get that black cast iron skillet with that melted butter and rosemary and all that seasoning as well. Pour it over the top of the steak. You hear it sizzling. Ooh, it's so good. And you're saying, how good is it? We slice it. It's cooked the way I like, at least, about medium to medium rare. So there you have it. Quick and easy New York strip steak. Hopefully you can follow those directions with no major issues. Keep subscribing to the channel. Keep checking out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. And until we see you next time, make it a great day. Better yet, a better tomorrow. Bye now from the kitchen.